As with any Toyota, you want to make sure that you have your 10mm socket, preferably something with a magnet. And we're going to do a disassembly of this dash. Alright, the Metro Kit 8262 lists the Toyota Highlander 01 through 07, Sequoia 03 to 07, and Tundra 03 to 06 for this dash. Kit 9268. Once that's unclipped, you can see 3 on each side. A magnetic tool or magnetic socket would be ideal to get to those because of the angle and depth. And again, those are 10mm. Alright, it's a good practice if you have to undo anything other than your radio harness to make sure that you reconnect those by counting the number of plugs you disconnect. So here we got 3 that are associated with the climate control, hazards, and passenger seatbelt. The radio harnesses are here. No steering wheel controls in this model. And when you get back, we'll have a whole new radio here.